Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix torch not working issue in your Oneplus mobile. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So to fix this issue, first of all, open your quick settings panel and then click on this three dot more icon. Now here click on edit tiles, and from here remove your torch from the quick settings panel and add it again. Now after adding again, your torch will start working properly, but if it's still not working, then the second solution is open settings, scroll down, and here click on battery. Now here make sure your battery is charged up to 50%, and after that check if you have turned on or not the power saving mode. So if you have turned on the power saving mode, then turn it back off, and after that your torch will start working properly. But if you are still facing the problem, then the last solution is open settings, scroll down, and here click on additional settings, and then scroll down and click on backup and reset. Now here click on reset phone and then click on reset all settings. Now enter your lock screen password, and here again click on reset all settings to confirm. So when you click on reset all settings, it will reset all your mobile settings, but it will not delete any data from your mobile. So after that your torch will start working properly. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.